the ultimate guide to writing a research paper, from topic selection to final submission. What is a research paper? A research paper is an academic document based on a scholar's original interpretation or arguments for a specific topic. Common types of research papers: argumentative research paper, analytical research paper, experimental research paper, survey research paper, definition paper, cause and effect research paper. Key components of a research paper: title, abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, references, appendices. Steps to follow to choose the right topic: collect background information, brainstorm ideas, formulate research question, explore database libraries, choose a feasible topic. Difference between primary and secondary sources: primary sources, first-hand data, time and money intensive, provide original information, more reliable. Secondary sources, second-hand data, time and cost-effective, provide historical information, less reliable. 7 steps to write a research paper. Start with a strong introduction, write a detailed literature review, specify the methodology, draft the results section, add a section for discussion, write a conclusion, pay attention to the bibliography. Tips for writing a good research paper: understand the scope of your paper, mold your question into strong thesis. Only use peer-reviewed articles, keep your search terms specific. Use an outline to organize ideas, make detailed notes as you research. Tips to effectively edit and proofread your paper: take a break, check for consistency, read it loud, pay attention to grammar. Ensure active voice tone, remove unnecessary words. Use online tools, get feedback.